What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your Windows 11 user account name. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Begin by navigating to the Settings application on your Windows 11 computer. You can easily locate the Settings app by typing Settings into the search bar situated on your taskbar and opening up the app. In the Settings app, head to Accounts and then Your Info. Next, click on Manage My Accounts, which will open a Microsoft account page in your web browser. You may need to sign into your Microsoft account if you are not already signed in. Once you're signed in, click on the Your Info tab at the top of the page. In your Profile Information section, click on Edit Name and follow the prompts to change your Microsoft account name. Note that there are character limits for usernames. Local account usernames have a 20-character limit, while Microsoft account first and last names have a 64-character limit. Additionally, while you can change your username as often as you like, you can only change your primary alias, the email address or phone number used to sign into Microsoft devices, twice a week. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.